At this rate angiboni botshwa abantu. Yabona ngale ndlela isikhamba ngayo angiboni iveni igijima, angiboni kunekhomba lo akhomba lwathi nalo angiboni kwenzeka lokho guys. 24 February 2026 lochani kubafana msiza lo. Brown envelope Mkhotsi was appearing in the ATO committee. General Sibiya was continuing with his testimony lapha kuMadlanga Commission of Inquiry, day number 5. Yabona le rate isikhamba ngayo guys. Angiboni botshwa abantu angifuni nje lama. Today guys summary ya today it's very short ayikho because Brown Mkhotsi usimoshela isikhathi sethu njengoba ngithule izolo. Shadrack Sibiya ubhizi uthi basho akakhona ukuphendula because of academic devices and guys futhi nangale kuMadlanga babhizi baveza ama TikTok videos. Like, let me know in the comment sections what do you think about the testimony of Brown Mkhotsi and Shadrack Sibiya, because mina ngendlela isikhamba ngayo guys angiboni kunabantu ababotshwako. I want to be honest with you.